Hey there, welcome to Car Clinic. Today, we're talking about the symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid, something only mechanics know in detail. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss valuable videos like this one. Let's dive in. The shift solenoid plays a key role in making your car's gears shift smoothly. When it starts to fail, you'll notice some clear warning signs. Let's break them down. Difficulty shifting gears. One of the first signs of trouble is when your car struggles to change gears. You might notice it hesitates, shifts harshly, or even skips gears entirely. This happens because the solenoid controls hydraulic fluid flow, which is essential for smooth shifting. When it fails, the system doesn't get the pressure it needs to operate correctly. Stuck in a single gear. Have you ever felt like your car refuses to leave first or second gear? This is a telltale sign of a bad shift solenoid. Your transmission may go into what mechanics call limp mode, which is designed to protect the transmission from further damage. In this mode, the car limits itself to a single gear to prevent excessive strain. Delayed gear engagement. Imagine putting your car into drive or reverse, but nothing happens for a second or two. That delay could be your shift solenoid failing to do its job. The solenoid isn't allowing the hydraulic fluid to flow quickly enough, causing the delay. Transmission warning light. Modern vehicles have sensors that constantly monitor transmission performance. If something is wrong with the solenoid, your dashboard may light up with a transmission warning. While this light doesn't tell you exactly what's wrong, it's a sign you need to investigate the issue immediately. Unusual noises. When shifting. When the solenoid malfunctions, you might hear clunking or whining noises as your car shifts. These sounds indicate that the gears aren't engaging smoothly, often due to erratic hydraulic pressure. Pay close attention to these noises, as they're an early warning that you shouldn't ignore. Poor fuel efficiency. A failing shift solenoid can also hurt your gas mileage. If the transmission isn't shifting gears efficiently, your engine has to work harder, burning more fuel in the process. This is one of those sneaky symptoms that might not scream transmission problem at first, but is worth noting if it happens alongside other issues. Transmission slipping. Finally, transmission slipping is a big red flag. You might notice your car suddenly losing power during acceleration, as if the engine is revving but the car isn't moving as it should. This is often caused by inconsistent hydraulic pressure due to a faulty solenoid. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. A bad transmission shift solenoid can lead to more costly repairs if left unchecked. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you have.